How to fix echo on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can fix echo on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Discord application or simply log in through discord.com from any browser. So once you're logged in and if you get this kind of interface, head towards your user settings. You will get that at your bottom left corner. Click on your user settings. So once you're on your user settings, again navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, scroll down and head towards application settings section. There select voice and video option. So once you're under voice and video option, scroll down and there you have a section that says voice processing. Make sure the toggle on echo cancellation is turned on, and here under noise suppression you also have to select one of this from the two options, that is crisp or standard. Here you can either go with standard or with the crisp. So once you saved these settings, you have fixed your echo on Discord. So in this way you can fix echo on Discord, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.